Think you know all the slang in 2025? Well, you might be missing a few. Today, we are diving into the trendiest slang words people are using right now. Stay till the end, your friends will be impressed. Mid, average, boring, not impressive. Example: the movie was kinda mid. To be honest. Risk, charisma or charm, especially in flirting. Example: he's got major risk, everyone loves talking to him. Touch grass, go outside, take a break from online life. Example: bro, you need to touch grass. Slaps, really good or impressive. Example: this song slaps. No cap, I'm serious, not lying. Example: I love pineapple on pizza, no cap. Sus, suspicious or shady. Example: he's acting sus since lunch. Drip, great sense of style. Example: her outfit today has serious drip. Bet, okay, cool, got it. Example: you coming at 5. Bet. Snack, someone who looks good. Example: he walked in looking like a snack. Delulu, short for delusional. It means someone who's overly optimistic or living in a fantasy, especially about love, fame, or unrealistic goals, but in a funny, light-hearted way. Example: she thinks her cat understands her, so delulu. Flex, showing off, can be positive or sarcastic. Example: he's always flexing his new phone. Savvy, having practical knowledge or understanding of something, especially in a clever or confident way. Example: she's really tech-savvy, she can fix any computer issue. Ghosted, suddenly stopping communication with someone. Example: I don't know what happened, she just ghosted me. Vibe check, a way to see if someone or something has a good energy or mood. Example: that party passed the vibe check, it was awesome. Glow up, a noticeable transformation, especially in appearance or confidence. Example: she had such a glow up since high school. Main character refers to someone who lives like they're the center of the story, confident, bold, and unbothered. Example: she walked into the room like the main character. Total vibe. Now you're officially slang savvy for 2025. And which word was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if you want to stay ahead with cool English tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you in the next video.